Are you tired of scrubbing away at your dirty oven only to find that it's still covered in grime? Fear not, because we've rounded up 7 oven cleaning hacks that will make the job a breeze. 1. Suck up the grime. This first hack is a great way to start cleaning your oven before trying any of the other hacks. Make sure that your oven is cool and that the power supply has been turned off. If your oven is particularly dirty, you can use a brush or scraper to remove any large pieces of food or grime from the oven. Once you've gotten rid of the big stuff, turn on your vacuum cleaner and use the thin nozzle attachment to suction up any remaining bits of food or grime. Be careful not to vacuum too close to the heating elements or any other sensitive parts of the oven. When you're finished, wipe the inside of the oven down with a warm, damp cloth to remove any remaining debris. 2. Bicarbonate of soda, vinegar and water. Are you worried about the harsh chemicals in commercial oven cleaners? Well, this may just be the hack for you. Begin by mixing together a paste of bicarbonate of soda, also known as baking soda, and water. Add half a cup of bicarbonate of soda to a small amount of water and stir until you have a thick, smooth paste. Once you've made your paste, spread it evenly on the inside surface of your oven, making sure to get into all the nooks and crannies. Let the paste sit for at least a few hours, or even overnight if you have the time. This will allow the bicarbonate of soda to work its magic and loosen up any stuck-on grime. When you're ready to finish the cleaning process, mix together equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray the mixture over the surface of the oven, then use a sponge or cloth to scrub the paste and grime away. Wipe the oven down with a clean, damp cloth to remove any remaining residue. 3. A lemon steam bath for your oven. Cleaning out your oven with water and lemon is a natural and effective way to remove grime and stuck-on food. To get started, take a deep oven-proof pan and add water and lemon juice to it. You can also use a few slices of lemon if you don't have any lemon juice lying around. Turn on the oven, allowing the water to come to a boil. This will cause it to steam up, allowing the water and the acid in the lemon juice to work its magic on the grime and grease in your oven. Let the oven cool down, and when you're ready to finish the cleaning process, use a sponge or cloth to scrub the inside of the oven, paying extra attention to any areas that are particularly dirty. Your oven should now be spotless and smelling fresh and citrusy. Number 4. Steaming to success using water and vinegar. Similar to the hack using water and lemon, this hack uses steam to soften the stuck bits of food. Fill a pan with water and bring it to a boil on the stove. You can also boil the water in a kettle, then add it to the pan. Once the water is boiling, add a few cups of white vinegar to the pan. Place the pan of boiling water and vinegar inside the oven, making sure that it is placed on a rack in the centre of the oven. Close the oven door and let the pan sit inside the oven for about 30 minutes. When the time is up, carefully remove the pan from the oven and use a sponge or cloth to scrub the inside of the oven clean. This hack will make the grime come off much more easily, saving you time and effort. Number 5. Toothbrush to the rescue. You may find that a sponge won't get those hard-to-reach spots in your oven that you need to clean. What you need is an old toothbrush. Use the toothbrush to scrub a cleaning product into all the nooks and crannies in the oven, such as the corners and edges. Once you've scrubbed the entire oven, wipe the inside of the oven down with a damp cloth to remove any remaining grime or cleaner. Number 6. Dishwasher tablets aren't just for dishes. Cleaning your oven door with a dishwasher tablet is a quick and easy way to remove grime on the glass door. Wet a cloth or sponge with hot water and place a dishwasher tablet on it. Use the cloth or sponge to scrub the door with the dishwasher tablet, paying extra attention to any areas that are particularly dirty. The dishwasher tablet will eliminate grease, giving your oven door a more transparent look. And number 7. Natural cleaning with vinegar. Cleaning your oven with vinegar is a natural and effective way to remove grime and stuck-on food. Mix together equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Next, Spray the mixture generously over the inside of your oven, making sure to cover all surfaces. Allow the vinegar mixture to sit for a couple of hours. This will allow the acid in the vinegar to break down any stuck-on grime. Now you're ready to start scrubbing away at the last bits of grease and food. Once you're happy with the result, simply wipe it clean with a cloth. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more home care, laundry and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.